I have this blow dryer here. It's gonna blow dry my hair super fast. It has 2 different speeds here and different temperature gauges that you can do. It also comes with a little attachment if you like to straighten your hair, then it goes on just like that. It also comes with this really cool wall attachment so you can hang up your blow dryer and put the cord up here. It comes with a little sticky back. So let's go ahead and get started and let's blow dry my hair. Okay, let's start the timer. We're at 2.5 minutes and it's almost done blow drying. Okay, my hair is all dry now. It feels nice and dry, and we're at 4 minutes, almost 4.5 minutes, a little less than that. So we're at about 4.5 minutes for my extremely long hair to blow dry. And I'm just gonna brush it out for you so you can see. And it makes my hair nice and smooth and all dry.